Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Mother Dove, and I don't know, thought I'd check in again. I know usually I would make a video with the birds, but apparently I am coming down with either a cold or it's just the weather acting up. So yes, I will not be filming the birds either tonight or tomorrow. If you guys want an update on them, I'll make a video of them for you. But I'm just not going to talk in the video, so don't mind. If you want an update on them, that's fine.
Hey, Grandma.
This week we have a trip coming up, and it's going to be fun. Just thought I'd give you a little update on what's going on this week. I know we have a field trip coming up. I think it's this week. I was told it was this week. And one of my friends is not going to be with us for this group. As far as I know, they're not going to be with us. So yeah, I am coming down with allergies. I'm not going to be with the birds tonight or tomorrow night. So I'll try to give you guys an update on what's going on. Alright? Bye.